Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 577 and that is in continuation of cytokine storm, and here I am going to discuss what is the symptom of cytokine storm and how we can treat this cytokine storm to save the patient from COVID-19 disease. So cytokine storm symptom first is high fever, high temperature, shivering, sweating, sneezing and losing the sense of smell. These are all indications that already cytokine molecule, protein molecule storm has started and they are attacking our own normal respiratory cells, because this COVID-19 is a respiratory disease, but it's not only limited to coronavirus attack. This cytokine storm is possible in any infection, any viral, any bacterial, any infection. We can have such type of condition where the protein molecule, cytokine protein molecule storm is there, and that's why in those people where there is tendency of cytokine storm protein molecule, we, the physicians, they give, that is autoimmune disease preventive measures, that is called drugs to suppress the immune system. It's very interesting. Rather than to improve, to boost the immune system, they are given such drugs or medication. To suppress the immune system means they will not allow the storm of inflammation of any part of the body due to cytokine protein molecule formation in excess. And this protein molecule is formed by the signal and direction given by white blood cells, WBC, to come and fight the pathogens, the bacteria, the virus. They are produced in large quantity. Then rather than to fighting the virus and bacteria, toxic material, they start fighting within their own cell. Just like we have invited the military to come and help, and that military is coming and killing our own people. The same thing is happening. That is called cytokine storm. And here, how we can identify that in some cases someone is having the tendency or probability of cytokine storm. There are some indications, protein indications. For example, one protein is called, that is called C-reactive protein. That is called C-reactive and in your blood you have to test. Everybody can test what is the percentage of C-reactive protein. If in your blood the C-reactive protein percentage is less, you are safe. But in case if the C-reactive protein is a big indicator for even cardiovascular disease also because of this inflammation. If the percentage of C-reactive protein is high in our blood, in our body, it means whenever there is any viral or bacterial infection, there will be chance of cytokine storm, hyperinflammation, the overactivity and reactivity of your immune system. And some other protein test is also there, like furin and WBC. So actually your body protein status, type of protein is the indication, is the indicator that whether you will be subjected to cytokine storm or not. So it is high time to have very specific test our protein status, especially the C-reactive protein in our body, to know whether we will be safe or not if there is any infection due to bacteria or virus. And then the other therapy, let me discuss. So here now, all experimentation is going on. How to protect the patient who is suffering from COVID-19, or in other words, that is cytokine storm or hyperinflammation of respiratory system, mainly lung. And once lung fails, our body is not getting oxygen, and that is enough for multiple organ failure like heart, kidney and liver. So apart from that cytokine storm, and that is the indication of death, we are using lot of chemotherapy drug, anti-malarial, then antiviral drugs, but at the same time some other experimentations are also going on, like plasma therapy. That therapy is also approved in some countries, including America and India, where they are isolating the plasma from the infected patients, and it is given. I have already discussed in detail the plasma therapy. The second one is, that is stem cell therapy, and this news came last week from Dubai, and they claim that they have treated 73 people, the patient who were suffering from COVID-19 disease, and their respiratory system was fully stormed by cytokine proteins. And what they did, because in Abu Dhabi there is Stem Cell Research Institute, and in that research institute they did this stem cell therapy. They call it cell therapy treatment. They extracted the stem cell from the blood, or we can extract from the bone marrow, and they were activated, and again they were re-injected in the patient, and they claim that there is very quick recovery, and many of them they recovered. And the basic principle behind stem cell therapy is regeneration. And this stem cell therapy is not new today. They are using for different diseases, mainly children who are suffering from leukemia. In that disease, it is very effective. It is given and they are recovered. And in some organ plant cases where transplantation is required, they give this therapy, stem cell therapy, so that these organs can be regenerated. Actually, this is under regenerative medicine therapy, where with the help of stem cell, either the injury is recovered. So here in the case of COVID-19 disease, we know that this virus is damaging our lung cells, and with this therapy they claimed, is all experimentation, is not yet 100% guaranteed, and 100% we can say specific medication is not given that it is okay. It's just, since we don't have any authentic vaccine, specific medicine to treat, so we are trying all these methods, experimentation. So with this, they are claiming, the researchers in Dubai, that all those cells which are damaged in lung, they are recovered. Some cells are regenerated in lung, and finally the lung or respiratory system is recovered from cytokine storm or from hyperinflammation. Inflammation itself is very dangerous to any part. It is responsible of killing our normal cells. So this is their claim, and they are hopeful that this therapy also can help to treat the COVID-19 disease. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture, and I will go on sharing my chemistry, medicinal chemistry knowledge with all of you, whatever I am getting. So once again, thank you very much.